Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you tired of the same old family vacations? Are you looking for an unforgettable experience that will create lasting memories for your family? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're diving into the amazing world of family travel as we uncover the top 10 best family vacation destinations in America. From breathtaking natural wonders to thrilling theme parks and everything in between, this video is packed with inspiration to help you plan the perfect getaway. So grab your passports and let's hit the road. Now let's get down to business. We've carefully curated a list of the top 10 best family vacation destinations in America, taking into account factors such as family-friendly activities, accommodations, and overall appeal. Each destination offers a unique experience, so there's sure to be something that catches your eye. To get ready to be amazed as we explore these incredible places together, let's start with number 1. Number 1. Walt Disney World: A Magical Adventure. Dreaming of a family vacation filled with fun and excitement? Look no further than Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This magical place is home to 4 incredible theme parks where you can meet your favorite characters, ride thrilling coasters, and explore fantastic worlds. From the classic charm of Magic Kingdom to the futuristic wonders of Epcot, there's something for everyone. Plus, enjoy splashing good times at the water parks, shop till you drop at Disney Springs, and stay in a dreamy Disney resort. Keep in mind, prices can vary based on the time of year and what you choose to do. Expect to spend around $200 to $300 per person per day for park tickets, food, and souvenirs, but trust me, the memories you make will be priceless. Number 2. New Orleans E-Party in the South. New Orleans, Louisiana is like a big fun party that never ends. This lively city is famous for its amazing food like spicy gumbo and rich jambalaya. You can listen to jazz music on every corner and dance the night away. Explore the colorful French Quarter with its old buildings and charming shops. Take a boat ride on the Mississippi River and see the city from a different view. And don't forget to try a delicious beignet, a fluffy fried pastry with powdered sugar. A hotel in the heart of the action can cost around $150 to $250 a night, but there are cheaper options available. Food is pretty affordable, with most meals costing between $10 and $20. So get ready to eat, dance, and explore in this one-of-a-kind city. Number 3. The Smoky Mountains, your next adventure. Craving fresh air and stunning views? Look no further than the Smoky Mountains in Tennessee. These misty mountains are a dream come true for nature lovers. Hike through lush forests, discover hidden waterfalls, and breathe in the clean mountain air. You can find cozy cabins for around $100 a night or go camping for even less. Don't miss the chance to explore nearby towns like Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, packed with shops, restaurants, and fun attractions. Number 4. Charleston, South Carolina. Charleston is like stepping back in time with a modern twist. This charming city is famous for its colorful houses, cobblestone streets, and friendly people. You can explore historic sites, relax on beautiful beaches, or savor delicious southern food. Expect to pay around $150 to $300 a night for a hotel, depending on where you stay. Food costs vary, but you can enjoy a tasty meal for about $20 to $30. Don't forget to explore the nearby islands for a day trip. It's totally worth it. Charleston is perfect for couples, history buffs, or anyone looking for a relaxing getaway. Number 5. Paradise Found, Hawaii. Dreaming of white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and swaying palm trees? Hawaii is your ticket to paradise. This tropical wonderland offers something for everyone. Relax on the famous beaches of Waikiki, explore the lush rainforests of Kauai, or hike through the volcanic landscapes of Big Island. Want to try something new? Snorkel with colorful fish, learn to surf, or whale watch in the Pacific Ocean. And don't forget to indulge in delicious local cuisine like fresh seafood and tropical fruits. A week-long trip to Hawaii can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per person, depending on your travel style and accommodations. But trust us, it's worth every penny for an unforgettable vacation. Number 6. Grand Canyon, Actual Wonder. Imagine a giant hole in the ground so big and colorful it's hard to believe it's real. That's the Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA. It's a place where you can feel tiny compared to the huge red rocks that have been around for millions of years. You can hike, take a mule ride, or just enjoy the amazing views from the top. There are hotels and campsites inside the park, or you can stay in nearby towns. To get in, it's $15 per person or $30 per car. There are also other passes for longer visits, or if you have a national park pass, it's a bit pricey, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Number 7. New York City. New York City is an electric mix of cultures, sights, and sounds. It's a place where dreams are made and memories are forged. Imagine yourself standing on top of the Empire State Building around $42, soaking in the panoramic view of the city that stretches out before you. Or take a ferry to visit the iconic Statue of Liberty, about $24, and feel the spirit of freedom. Central Park offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. Shopaholics will be in heaven on Fifth Avenue with world-famous stores and designer brands. If you're into theater, Broadway is a must-visit. Ticket prices vary widely, but the experience is unforgettable. And let's not forget the food. From world-class restaurants to iconic street food like pizza and hot dogs, your taste buds will be dancing. Number 8. Yellowstone National Park. Eat a wild adventure. Yellowstone is a nature lover's paradise. Imagine witnessing the incredible power of Old Faithful geysers erupting. It's free to watch, or exploring the colorful Grand Prismatic Hot Spring. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife like bison, elk, and maybe even a bear. The park is full of hiking trails for all levels, from easy strolls to challenging treks. You can fish in crystal clear lakes, camp under a starry sky, or simply relax and soak in the stunning scenery. The park entrance fee is around $35 per car, and it's totally worth it. Just remember to respect the wildlife and follow park rules. Bring your camera to capture the unforgettable moments you'll experience in this amazing natural wonderland. Number 9. Orlando, the Magic Kingdom. Orlando is a dream come true for kids and kids at heart. It's home to the world-famous Walt Disney World Resort, where you can meet your favorite characters, ride thrilling roller coasters, and watch dazzling fireworks shows. Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure offer even more fun with movie-themed rides and shows. Water parks like Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon are perfect for cooling off on hot days, and don't forget about the amazing shopping and dining options. Ticket prices vary depending on the park and the time of year, but it's definitely worth splurging for a magical experience. Number 10. San Diego, California's Sunshine City. San Diego is a dream come true. With its perfect weather, stunning beaches, and laid-back atmosphere, it's easy to see why people love it. Spend your days soaking up the sun on golden sands, building sandcastles, or trying your hand at surfing or paddleboarding. For a family adventure, head to SeaWorld San Diego. Ticket prices vary for thrilling rides and amazing marine life encounters, or explore the incredible animal kingdom at the San Diego Zoo. For adult tickets price around $60. When hunger strikes, indulge in fresh seafood, delicious tacos, or classic California cuisine. San Diego's vibrant nightlife offers something for everyone, from lively bars to trendy clubs. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of California living, San Diego has it all. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 best family vacation destinations in America. We hope this video has inspired you to start planning your next adventure. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a destination that suits your family's interests and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. And most importantly, have an amazing time on your next family vacation. If you're still unsure about where to go, feel free to leave a comment below and tell us about your family's interests. We'll be happy to offer some personalized recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.